One of the questions I've gotten is specifically about the interest reserve on some of these loans. How do we set that interest reserve? What's it used for? What's it meant to cover? And I think more importantly, whose underwriting are we using? Whose math are we checking to make sure that it's correct, to make sure that we're setting it with a more conservative stance?
Yeah, so the sponsor typically will submit their own financial model, and then through the diligence process, we both hire an appraiser and we dig through the existing financials to try to prove out what net operating income truly is at the asset. And we try to tie that to sponsors' underwriting. As you can imagine, more often than not, we find discrepancies and our numbers come in much more conservatively than the sponsors do. And so what we use in investment committee is our lender underwritten NOI, which is distinct from borrower's NOI. So we benchmark everything to our findings, which are independent of the borrower and are determined during the diligence process. When we can determine what true cash flow is at the asset level, we will size in an interest reserve, which is meant to cover us from origination of the loan through loan maturity. We use the interest reserve as an additional cushion to ensure that those payments are made on a monthly basis on the loan, and it just gives us additional protection under the loan.